The EOS coin is just toward the start of its excursion in an unpretentious manner. It stands separated from digital forms of money, both in its specialized qualities and in the size of its objectives in a significant manner. A straightforward demonstrating reality more than $4 billion raised during the ICO. EOS' really objective for the most part is to turn into an endeavor-grade answer for decentralized application sending, which is genuinely huge. The group of the venture shows a truly mindful way to deal with the task: specialized documentation, media appearance and for the most part in general presence in the business. This reality explicitly assisted the coin with acquiring consideration from a few significant financial backers and raise one of the greatest market capitalizations in the business. The Block.one improvement group, pioneer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, truly was fortunate to persuade parts regarding individuals to put stock in the task's benefit. From the beginning, they declared the production of a circulated working framework with kind of brilliant agreements like Ethereum, however fundamentally much kind of better. So the EOS was quickly truly pronounced as an executioner, in spite of mainstream thinking. The idea and technique for project execution itself truly were exceptionally alluring for clients. If at one time Ethereum became a genuine leap forward and basically is still extremely popular, what might occur on the off chance that something like this showed up, yet commonly more grounded? The task truly is for the most part devoted to giving an essentially steady organization to decentralized applications. The engineering of EOS truly is planned in a manner that permits it to offer dApps designers simple sending, overhauls and bug recuperation. Likewise, as a blockchain network, EOS can accommodate the most part secure correspondence, information insurance and oversight obstruction in a very significant manner. Nonetheless, the coin remains broadly really subject to showcase changes and Bitcoin's ubiquity. It seems to be the EOS cost history follows generally market conduct, regardless of the coins in every practical sense, secure situation as one of the extremely significant digital forms of money, and for the most part enormous consideration from institutional financial backers. In any case, the EOS cost expectation shows coins in every practical sense, promising future and especially amazing opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its item includes. EOS value history is very effective. Its justifiable market specialty close by specialized complexity of the group gave it supportable development and positive media presence. EOS value expectations were exceptionally encouraging, assisting the coin with basically becoming one of the very significant pieces of the business, which it really stays to be right up till now, or so they truly thought. EOS price prediction 2022. According to the specialized examination of EOS costs expected in 2022, the base expense of EOS will especially be $1.64 in an unobtrusive manner. The most extreme level that the EOS cost can reach explicitly is $1.92, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.70, in opposition to prevalent thinking. EOS price forecast for May 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In light of the value vacillations of EOS toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the genuinely normal EOS pace of $1.37 in March. Its base and greatest costs can truly be anticipated at $1.24 and at $1.41, separately. June 2022. EOS price forecast in an unobtrusive way. Digital money specialists are prepared to, in every way that really matters, declare their estimate for the EOS cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost could be $1.36, while the truly most extreme could in every practical sense reach $1.48 during this month, or so they all things considered thought. Overall, it generally is normal that the worth of EOS may be around $1.41, or so they truly thought. EOS price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners explicitly have really looked at the value changes of EOS in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal EOS rate they for the most part foresee could in a real sense be around $1.44 in May, in a kind of huge way. It can drop to $1.39 as a very least. The genuinely greatest worth could truly be $1.55. August 2022. EOS price forecast, which is genuinely huge. Around mid-year 2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at $1.50 by and large. June could likewise observe an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.62, sort of in opposition to it is expected that the cost won't drop for the most part lower than $1.45 in June 2022. EOS price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down EOS costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July $1.53. The most minimal and top EOS rates may be $1.46 and $1.70, which fundamentally is very critical. October 2022. EOS price forecast, in spite of mainstream thinking. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the EOS cost will explicitly be around $1.59. In August, the EOS cost might drop to at least $1.52. The normal pinnacle worth could explicitly be $1.77 in August 2022. EOS price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected EOS costs, digital currency specialists expect that the EOS rate could arrive at a limit of $1.85 in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $1.60. For September, the estimated normal of EOS is by and large almost $1.65. December 2022. EOS price forecast, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Around mid-2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at the really normal degree of $1.70. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, the EOS cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $1.92, in an unpretentious manner. EOS price prediction 2023 in an unpretentious manner. After the examination of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it truly is accepted that in 2023, the truly least cost of EOS will essentially be around $2.37. The truly most extreme expected EOS cost might be around $2.85, which is genuinely huge. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.45 in 2023. EOS price prediction 2024, which is very critical. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of EOS, in 2024, EOS is supposed to have the accompanying least and truly greatest costs. About $3.57 and $4.14, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.67, in spite of mainstream thinking. EOS price prediction 2025 in a significant manner. The specialists in the field of digital money fundamentally have broke down the costs of EOS and their vacillations during the earlier years, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It by and large is accepted that in 2025, the base EOS cost could drop to $5.09, while its greatest can for the most part reach $6.18. Overall, the exchanging cost will especially be around $5.28. EOS price prediction 2026, which is genuinely huge. In light of the examination of the expenses of EOS by crypto specialists, the accompanying sort of most extreme and least EOS costs are normal in 2026. $8.64 and $7.45 in an unpretentious way. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $7.67. EOS price prediction 2027, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of EOS. In view of their expectations, the assessed certainly normal EOS cost will sort of be around $11.25. It could drop to a sort of least of $10.86, however it actually could reach $13.12 all through 2027. EOS price prediction 2028 in a kind of significant manner. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists by and large get ready conjectures at the cost of EOS amazingly. It is assessed that EOS will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $15.89 and $18.99 in 2028. Its certainly normal expense is normal at around $16.34 during the year. EOS price prediction 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the EOS's cost in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2029 will not set in stone by the exceptionally greatest EOS cost of $27.76. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $24.27, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $24.92. EOS price prediction 2030, in spite of mainstream thinking. Following quite a while of investigation.